Alright, today we're going to be working on tearing apart the LS, fixing this. We're going to tear this whole engine down, put everything on it, redo. It's got Gen 4 internals. It's a 5.3 stock block. I have some 317 heads we're putting on this with some BTR. Springs coming. It has a sloppy stage 2 cam in it. We're doing all of the gaskets, resealing up the whole engine, painting the block black, removing all of this. We're going electric water pump and only running on alternator, no longer having the power steering. And we're gonna just put all of this back together, get it ready, bag it, just get that out of the way for our next project we're gonna work on is transmission.
Freedom's roar echoes in their veins. Building dreams with horsepower and chains. Green Berets turn wrenches, sparks ignite. Late night chaos under a flickering light. Figuring it out, no manual, no guide, just grit and...
I'm gonna take that belt out. Don't put your finger in there, crazy. There you go.
Engine screams the only truth they feel.
Frankie lost a couple more fingers. That wouldn't be dope, man. My big mop face.
Frankie lost a couple more fingers. Alright, man, all that whole front end's gotta come off. So I say, we could take off this. Let's take a water pump off. That can come off. Well, all of it. Fuck it. All of it's gotta come off anyways. We're going lightweight and quick.
So we just start taking these bolts? Take
Yeah.
this out?
Yeah. What do you need? I got you. 14? That looks like a 14.
Looks like a 15.
You're right.
Dragon drive under the flag's embrace. Freedom rides on the truck they race. Brotherhood forged in fire and steel. Engine screams the only truth they feel. Dragon drive under the flag's embrace. Freedom rides on the truck they race. Hey, Ray. Two brothers in the garage, no sleep tonight.
Those ones are all rusted to shit anyways. Damn. Oh shit. There's still water in there. No. Get back. You get your shoes wet? Got my feet wet. I guess there's still water in the block. Sorry, dude. My bad. Alright, so we're going to take off the valve covers next. And then that'll get us to where we're going to start putting all the seals back on.
Can
Oh, nice.
Alright, so they do have bathroom. That's good.
All right. Let's take apart this side first. So we'll come in here. We're probably gonna need a ratchet instead of that. It's probably the same size. Oops, shit! I just threw it on the ground. Over there. I'll just loosen every one of them, and then we'll come back here with the gun. Your street bike, just revving in the background the whole time.
I wish my bike sounded like that.
Right? It's like magic. That one is this one. Yep. Flute.
Bro, for how bad the weather is today, it's kind of nice outside.
It's beautiful on my porch, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I like sitting back here a bunch. I'm gonna put all these bolts in my part cleaner too.
Side by side we fight and climb, building dreams with fire in mind. Metal screams the anthem's call, freedom stands will never fall. Russian hand paint coats the steel, every stroke of bond we feel. Green Berets born to create, strength in unity, no debate. Drums of war guitars ignite, echo through the endless night. Freedom's hammer strikes the flame with a fortress name. The name. Side by side we fight and grind, building dreams with fire in mind. Metal screams the anthem's call, freedom stands will never fall. Bars of war guitars ignite, echo through the endless night. guitars ignite, echo through the endless night. Freedom's hammer strikes the flame with a fortress name. The name. Side by side we fight and grind, building dreams with fire in mind. Metal screams the anthem's call. Freedom stands, will never fall. Bars of war guitars ignite, echo through the endless night. Freedom's hammer strikes the flame with a force with a name. Side by side we fight and grind, building dreams with fire in mind. Metal screams the anthem's call. Freedom stands, will never fall. Brothers forged in fire and pain, painting dreams through grit.
Alright, so this is where we're at today. We got the engine pretty much tore all apart, ready to go for the rebuild. Gonna get this tie off like that, man. Doesn't take this long. But we got the engine down to where we're gonna rebuild it now. We got it to a short block, and we're gonna start working on putting it together. We'll have a couple other videos added after this about working on the heads and everything, doing the trunnion kit and everything in between that. But I didn't film an outro the other day just because it just started getting hot and getting late, so we just sort of just wrapped it up, cleaned up without filming an outro. But so this is where we're at on we cleaned it all up, we taped it all up, we got it to the point to where we could start putting it back together. But pretty cleaned up on that side of things. Let's see what the deck looks like. We didn't take it to the machine shop or anything. This was a very low mile engine already, pretty much just ready to go. And as you can tell, really good. It was just rebuilt. We just didn't get enough horsepower out of the heads and the engine we wanted, so we added to it. So this is where we're at. We got a new valley cover coming. We got new heads, 317 heads. We got ICT billet valley cover. That's where we're at on the engine wise. So in the upcoming, we also got LS7 lifters, still running the sloppy stage 2 cam in it. That's probably a future upgrade if we want to push it a little harder. If this cam isn't good enough, we could definitely do a cam swap later. But that's where we're sitting on the engine. Short block, easy, quick, nothing too crazy. Definitely didn't make it look too pretty or try to clean it up too much. Just it is what it is. Normal 5.3.